Here are 9 science books, in no particular order, that you might find interesting. A Brief History of Time by Stephen Hawking. This classic book provides an accessible overview of some of the essential ideas in physics, including relativity and quantum mechanics. The Double Helix by James Watson. This book tells the story of how the structure of DNA was discovered, as told by one of the key scientists involved in the discovery. The Selfish Gene by Richard Dawkins. This influential book provides a new perspective on evolution and genes' role in shaping organisms' behavior. The Structure of Scientific Revolutions by Thomas Kuhn. This book explores the history of science and proposes a new model for understanding how scientific knowledge changes over time. The Demon-Haunted World. Science as a Candle in the Dark by Carl Sagan. In this book, Sagan advocates for the importance of scientific thinking and skepticism in a world where superstition and pseudoscience are often given too much credence. The Elegant Universe by Brian Greene. This book explains the complex and fascinating world of string theory, which proposes that the fundamental particles of the universe are tiny, one-dimensional strings. The Emperor's New Mind by Roger Penrose. This book explores the nature of consciousness and the possibility of developing a scientific theory of the mind. Guns, Germs, and Steel by Jared Diamond. In this book, Diamond examines the factors that led to the rise of particular civilizations and the decline of others, including geography, agriculture, and the spread of disease. The Code Book by Simon Singh explores the history and science of cryptography, from ancient times to the modern era of digital encryption.